Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you thinking of starting your own YouTube channel, content creation or filmmaking and looking for an affordable lighting kit that offers everything you need? Then this video is for you. This is my unboxing and quick review of the Heysliy Octagonal Softbox lighting kit, giving you two 150 watt RGB bulbs in a single package. Make sure you stay to the end of this video to know how you can get it for half the price. The unboxing experience is really nice. It comes in a well-presented package and adequately protected inside two boxes. Out of the box, you are greeted with a good quality black carrying bag. Unzip the carrying bag and you have two sets of lighting box equipment with an included protective pair of gloves. To set up the lights, loose the knob and unfold the tripod leg. Adjust the stand to a desired height and lock the knob. Get the 26 inches or 65 cm octagonal softbox out of its bag. Open and firmly press the center ring to secure it. Then fix the softbox on the tripod stand with the screw. And that is an included free gift of a water bag that can be used to keep the tripod steady on the floor. Each dimmable RGB bulb has a color temperature of 2700 to 5500 Kelvin and power output up to 150 watts with an included remote control. Screw the bulb into the softbox socket. The power cord has a decent 2.5 meter length, giving you a good distance to move the light when in use. Once the setup is complete, turn on and off the lights using the button switch on the power cord. The included remote control works effectively from about a distance of 7 to 8 meters. It gives you the ability to control the three color temperatures, namely cool, white and warm lights. You can also adjust the color, brightness and scene modes using the remote. The RGB bulb has 16 different colors plus 4 scene modes, which are suitable for a wider range of use scenarios. Cover the 8 corners of the light box with the white cloth diffuser to give an even distribution of lights during use. So there you have it. In my opinion, this is a very good beginner pocket-friendly lighting kit for photography, video, YouTube and streaming that offers almost exactly what more expensive lights give you. Plus, you have two lights in one package. The only drawback I can think of for this lighting kit is that the CRI, the color rendering index, is rated 90+, as opposed to the 95+ commonly recommended for more expensive kits. But for the price, I think it's a really good bargain. To grab this particular kit for about 50% off as at the time of recording this video, check the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to help grow my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.